Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is wonderful to be here with you today.
It really is. It is always the best part of my week. How are you doing today, Paul?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am feeling energetic. I had a very good sleep last night.
Oh, that is great. Sleep is so important. I am happy to hear that.
And you, Emily, how was your day?
My day is fantastic. I am very excited because I love our topic for today.
I am excited too, but I don't know the topic yet. You said it is a surprise.
Yes, today we're talking about daily conversations you must know.
Ooh, daily conversations. That sounds very useful.
It is. We are going to talk about the English you need for real life, not just for a classroom.
I like that. Real English for real life.
Exactly. We will look at shopping, ordering food, and even asking for help.
Wow, those are situations we see every day. This will be a great episode.
I think so too. But Paul, before we start our lesson,
Yes, I know. We have a small favor to ask our listeners.
that's right. If you like learning with us, please click the subscribe button for Mr. English Channel.
And please give this video a like. It helps us very much.
And share this podcast with your friends. Learning together is always more fun.
Yes, please do. Okay, Emily, I am ready. Where do we start?
Let's start with something very popular, coffee.
You know me well, Emily. I love coffee.
Me too. So the first daily conversation is ordering at a cafe.
This is very important. I go to the cafe every morning.
Okay, so imagine you are at the counter. The worker says, "Next, please." What do you say?
I usually say, coffee, please.
That is okay, but we can make it better. We can make it more polite and natural.
Okay, how do I do that?
You can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Can I have a coffee, please?
Yes, or "I would like a coffee, please."
I would like. That sounds very nice, very polite.
It is. "I want" is a little strong. "I would like" is soft and friendly.
I see. So, I would like a large coffee, please.
Perfect. And the worker will usually ask you a question.
What question?
They will ask you, "For here or to go?"
Ah, I hear that often. For here means I drink it in the cafe.
Yes, and "to go" means you take it with you, maybe to your office.
Okay, so I can say, to go, please.
Exactly. It is a very short conversation, but you use it every day.
That is a great tip. I would like and to go, please.
Yes. Now let's move to the next situation. Shopping.
Shopping. Do you mean food shopping or clothes shopping?
Let's talk about clothes shopping. Everyone needs clothes.
That is true. I need a new shirt, actually.
Okay, so you are in a shop. You see a shirt you like, but you need help.
Yes, maybe I cannot find my size.
Correct. So you need to speak to the shop assistant.
I feel a little nervous when I speak to assistants. I don't want to bother them.
Don't worry, Paul. They are there to help you. You can start with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. That is a magic phrase.
It is. It is polite and it gets their attention. Then you say, "Do you have this in a size medium?"
Do you have this in a size medium? Okay. Or maybe size large for me.
Okay, size large. Or maybe you want a different color.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes. Do you have this in is the key phrase.
That is easy to remember. Do you have this in red? Do you have this in small?
Exactly. And there is another important question in a clothes shop.
The price?
Yes, the price. But also, you want to wear the shirt to check the size.
Ah, I want to try it on.
Yes, so you ask, where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room? The fitting room is the small room with a mirror?
Yes. Sometimes we call it a changing room too.
Fitting room, changing room. Okay, I can remember that.
Great. Now, let's talk about a conversation that happens on the street.
On the street?
Yes, when you are lost.
Oh no, I am always lost.
Well, then this is perfect for you, Paul. You need to ask for directions.
Yes, I do. How do I ask a stranger?
Again, we start with the magic words.
Excuse me?
Yes, excuse me. Then you can say, where is the nearest?
Where is the nearest... Like, where is the nearest bank?
Perfect. Or, where is the nearest subway station?
That is very useful. And then they give the answer.
Yes, and the answers are usually simple phrases. Go straight.
Go straight. That means walk forward.
Yes. Or, turn left and turn right.
Turn left and turn right. Okay.
Sometimes they say, it is on the corner.
Ah, on the corner, where two streets meet.
Exactly. And if you are worried it is a long walk, you can ask one more question.
What is that?
Is it far?
Is it far? That is a good question. If it is far, I will take a taxi.
Good idea. So, asking for directions is not so scary.
No. Excuse me, where is the nearest bank? I can say that with confidence now.
That's great. Now, Paul, what about talking to your friends?
I love talking to my friends.
Me too. But we need to make plans. We need to invite them to do things.
Yes, like going to the movies.
Yes. So, how do you ask a friend to go to the movies?
You go to movie with me?
That works. But a very natural way is, do you want to see a movie?
Do you want to see a movie? That sounds natural.
Yes. Or, if you want to be a little more polite, would you like to see a movie?
Would you like to? It's like ordering coffee. I would like.
Yes. Would is a very polite word in English.
Okay. Would you like to have dinner? Would you like to go to the park?
Excellent examples, Paul. And how do you answer if a friend asks you?
If I want to go, I say yes.
Yes, you can say, that sounds great.
That sounds great. I like that. It shows I am happy.
But what if you are busy? What if you cannot go?
Then I have to say no. But no feels rude.
You're right. Just saying no can be a little hard. So we say, I'm sorry, I can't.
I'm sorry, I can't. That is better.
And usually we give a small reason. I'm sorry, I can't. I have to work.
I'm sorry, I can't. I am tired.
That is a very honest reason.
It is. So making plans is about would you like to and that sounds great. Or I'm sorry, I can't.
Exactly. Simple and polite.
Emily, I have another situation, a very common one.
Tell me.
Making a phone call, like to a doctor or a dentist.
Oh, yes. Appointments. That can be tricky.
Yes, I get nervous on the phone. I cannot see the person's face.
That is true. Talking on the phone is harder than face-to-face. But we have a phrase for this.
Please tell me.
When you call, you say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment."
I would like to make an appointment. There's would like again.
It is everywhere. It is the best phrase for daily life.
So, I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Perfect. And they will ask you, when?
And I can say a day. On Tuesday?
Yes. Or you can ask, do you have any openings on Tuesday?
Openings. That means free time?
Yes. Do you have any openings? Or is there any free time on Tuesday?
Okay. And if I just want to know the time the shop opens?
Ah, good question. You can call and ask, what are your opening hours?
What are your opening hours?
Yes. Or simply, what time do you close?
What time do you close? Very practical. I need to know this so I can buy my cookies before the shop closes.
Always thinking about cookies, Paul.
Always.
Okay, let's do one more. This is a conversation for small talk.
Small talk. This means chatting about small things.
Yes, like when you see a neighbor in the elevator or a colleague at the water cooler.
Yes, sometimes I see my neighbor, Mrs. Higgins, and I don't know what to say. I just smile.
Smiling is good, but you can also say, how are you doing?
How are you doing? It is like, how are you?
Yes, just a little more casual. How are you doing?
And what is a good answer?
I'm good. Thanks. And you?
I'm good. Thanks. And you? Simple.
Yes. And a very popular topic for small talk is the weekend.
Oh, yes. Everyone loves the weekend.
So, on Monday, you can ask, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend? That is a very friendly question.
It is. It shows you are interested.
And if someone asks me?
You can say, it was great, or it was relaxing.
It was relaxing. I like relaxing weekends.
And if you did something special, you can say, I went to the park, or I saw a movie.
And then I ask, how about you?
Yes, always ask back. It keeps the conversation going.
How about you? This is the ping pong of conversation. I ask, you answer, you ask, I answer.
That is a perfect way to describe it, Paul. Conversation is like ping pong.
I like ping pong.
So, Paul, we talked about a lot of situations today.
We did. Ordering coffee, shopping for clothes, asking directions, making plans, phone calls, and small talk.
That is a lot of English.
It is, but they are all phrases I can use tomorrow.
Yes. And remember, listeners, you don't need to be perfect.
No?
No. The important thing is to try. If you say, I want coffee, instead of, I would like coffee, it is okay. People understand.
That is good to hear. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Exactly. But if you practice these polite phrases, you will feel even more confident.
I agree. I am going to practice, where is the fitting room? I really need that new shirt.
Good luck with your shopping, Paul.
Thank you, Emily.
And thank you to everyone listening. We hope these tips help you in your daily life.
Yes, try to use one of these phrases today. Maybe at the cafe.
Or ask a stranger for directions, even if you are not lost.
Just for practice. That is a funny idea.
It works.
Well, Emily, I think our time is almost up.
Oh, time flies when we are having fun.
It really does. But before we go,
Yes, we have a question for you, our listeners.
we want to know, what is a conversation you have every day?
Oh, good question. Do you order food every day? Do you talk to your boss? Do you talk to a bus driver?
Tell us in the comments below. We want to know your daily routine.
Yes, we love reading your comments. It helps us know you better.
And please, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And click the like button if you learned something new today.
And share this with your family and friends. Let's build a big community of English learners.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you. Have a great day and happy talking.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.